Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore forms with Jotform payments and Stripe integration. Complete guide step by step clearly. To restore forms using Jotform payments with Stripe integration, follow these steps. Begin by logging into your Jotform account. Navigate to the My Forms section on your dashboard. Locate the form you wish to restore from the list. Click on the form to open its settings. If the form was deleted, head to the trash folder found in the left sidebar. In the trash folder, find the form you want to restore. Click the checkbox next to the form. Select the Restore option at the top of the page. Confirm the action when prompted. Once restored, return to the My Forms section. Now, open the restored form to ensure everything is intact. Next, verify if the Stripe payment integration is still active. If not, click on the Settings tab at the top. Select Integrations from the left sidebar. Search for Stripe in the Integrations list. Click on the Stripe integration to add it to your form. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Stripe account. Authorize Jotform to access your Stripe account by logging in. Once connected, customize your payment settings as needed. Ensure that the payment field is correctly configured in your form. Double-check all other form fields to make certain they are working correctly. When satisfied, click the Publish button to save your changes. You can now share your restored form with your audience. Test the form to ensure everything functions as intended. Your Jotform with Stripe integration is now fully restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.